Hey guys, in this quick 2025 tutorial, I'll show you how to disconnect GitHub from Lovable AI. Fast, simple, and secure. First, log into your Lovable AI account and go to Settings. Click on Integrations or Connected Accounts. Find GitHub in the list of connected apps. Click Disconnect or Remove Access next to GitHub. Confirm the action when prompted. This will revoke Lovable AI access to your GitHub account. If needed, check your GitHub account settings. Authorize all apps to ensure Lovable AI no longer has permissions. This helps keep your posterities and data secure while removing integrations you no longer use. And that's it, GitHub is now disconnected from Lovable AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick 2025 tech tutorials.